Hey guys, so it's about 6:30 in the morning. Got out of bed maybe 10 minutes ago. The sun's just coming up here. Today I'm going to do 200 kilometers on my bike, at least 200 kilometers. So I'll take you along for the journey. I'm going to have a smoothie and then head out on the bike. Here's my smoothie. Got 9 bananas, about half a cup of brown sugar, and maybe 300 milliliters of water, 400 milliliters of water.
Here's what I'm taking with me. I've got 4 things of dried bananas, so this will go in one pocket, my wallet, and this little vegan taro filled pancake thing. Those go in the middle pocket, and these in the other pocket. And then I'll also be wearing my headphones, listening to some podcasts and some music, and I'll have my battery, extra battery with the cable to charge my phone, just in case I run out of battery, and of course my phone, which I'm filming with right now.
Took my time getting ready. It's now 7:53. Heading out on the bike, 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers in a day. Done about 25 Ks already. Been listening to Andy McKee. Some nice acoustic music, just chilling out. Just doing 2 to 3 watts per kilo, about 150 watts to 200 watts, something like that. Just chilling, 25 Ks, 175 to go.
Stop to use the toilet. We've got banana trees, papaya. Having some bananas. Filled up my water bottles. Got some coconut nectar. Little pit stop.
"50 kilometers. Listening to the Rich Roll podcast. They're talking about this whole thing about butter. You guys probably know or have seen the Time magazine thing saying butter is back. Oh man, don't even get me started. Yeah, it's just ridiculous, the things that people think. I tell you what, butter is just about the last thing that I would want to eat right now on this bike ride. Man, butter, ugh, gross. Check out this view. Nice out here. Just chilling. Still just 2 to 3 watts per kilo. Heart rate's around 120. Yeah, keep on moving. About 80 kilometers in, just had that taro-filled pancake and another one of the bananas, dried bananas. Taking a rest, just finished the Rich Roll podcast, just resting the ears a bit. So I thought today I wouldn't be doing much elevation, but it's a lot of up and down. Already 85 kilometers, and I've done about 850 meters gained, elevation gained. So it's not a flat ride. Probably gonna take me till just about sunset, including all the stops and stuff. I'm just, taking it easy, going all day, so up and down, up and down. Amazing views around here. So nice. Going along like the north edge. So Khao Yai is that way. We're just heading back towards Pak Chong along the north edge of Khao Yai. Beautiful. $100 into a 200-kilometer ride. Found a nice little patch of sunflowers and a nice lake hanging out here. Just taking a little break. Might find a spot where I can take my shoes off for a little bit and get something to drink. And yeah, let's chill out for a little bit. So just gonna have a bit of a chill, take the shoes off, let the feet relax a little bit. Got some orange juice here. And enjoy the view, and then keep trucking. Popular spot. Not really, just a few people. You probably can't notice from my videos, but I've actually shrunk to the size of an ant. Look at this grass. This is grass, just normal grass behind me. So I'm really, really small. It's really hard to find clothing that fits because I'm just so small. I guess I don't get enough protein on this vegan diet. $135 kilometers. I'm on my last pack of bananas here. Just had one of them, so I'm gonna stop, have two. I'll be at Khao Yai Gate in like 15 kilometers. So I'll probably get some sports drink going on there. And then I'm gonna hit up a vegetarian restaurant close to Pak Chong, and then, I don't know, I'll have a few dozen kilometers to do after that. So see how we go. Feeling good, feeling good. Here's the secret with these dried bananas. Put them in the back of your jersey and ride in the sun all day so they get nice and warm. These are reminding me of the banana muffins that my mom used to make. Hey, Mom. So I just stopped at the Tesco Lotus close to Pak Chong Gate. Just topping up the water bottles. This is the third refill of the day. And got some coconut nectar and tamarind juice. And just over 150 Ks, so another 50 Ks to go. After I left Tesco, these guys came by me, so I jumped on the back for a few minutes. Just like 3 minutes. Is this still a solo ride? Here at Ora Emi Vegetarian Restaurant, close to Khao Yai, on the way back to Pak Chong. I took some footage to do a restaurant review of this place earlier, so I'm going to put that together and do a more detailed review of this place. But I'm just going to get some food. I think I've got about 30 Ks left after this, so I'll just get some grub and then another hour of riding.
Veggie chicken sandwich. Pretty good size. Sweet and sour veggies with some tofu and rice.
5:37 p.m. I've done 191 kilometers. So I've just added a little out and back to this loop today, and now just heading back into Pak Chong. So I'll see you back at the apartment at 200 kilometers.
Ah, scary dog! He's chasing me! Oh my God! 200.8. 8 hours moving. 5:57 p.m. 1,538 meters elevation gain. Done and done.
So that was the sun literally just setting over that mountain over there right when I got to my front door. So I think that's pretty cool how I thought I'd get home around sunset, and that exactly happened. Post your questions and comments down below. Thanks for coming on this journey with me, and I'll see you next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see, and peace out, guys. Take care.